Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix not receiving MMS messages in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, clear app and clear data. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages, open messages, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache and clear data. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages will be clear cache from your phone. And if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, message messages data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix not receiving MMS messages in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.